To redeem a Cinemark gift card, you can follow a step-by-step process online or in person at a theater. First, visit the Cinemark website and sign in to your account with your login details. Then, select the Redeem Prepaid Card option. Follow the on-screen prompts, and insert your PIN before tapping the Redeem tab. Alternatively, you can visit your nearest local Cinemark theater, which can be found using the locator on the Cinemark website. At the theater, head to the Customer Assistance Desk and request to redeem your gift card, following the instructions provided by the representative. If you need further assistance, you can contact Cinemark customer support at 1-800-246-3672 for guidelines and answers regarding your gift card. By following these steps, you can easily redeem your Cinemark gift card.